All right, so today we've got a 2006 Mini Cooper. It's the S model, so it has a supercharger, which is probably going to make things more fun as we go along. So this thing is going to get valve cover gaskets, because the valve cover gasket is leaking, leaving oil spots. Already kind of took a little quick look on it, and looks like that guy right there is going to be a fun adventure when we get to it. It's all rusted. It's supposed to look like that guy right there, and of course it doesn't. The support struts on it, like this guy right here, he's done. They don't hold up the hood anymore. I've got my tool there holding the hood up. So we got those right there. Another leak that we do have is the power steering is leaking, and looks to be the hoses from the reservoir down to the pump and the suction line. So we've got those two right there, and we're gonna do spark plugs while we're at it. And as an added bonus, we're gonna go ahead and take care of the struts on it. So yeah, we got a few hours worth of work here. We'll see how it all goes.
I like this camera. I know some of you viewers